We're going to talk about fixing mistakes in needle tatting in this video. I'm working again on this little edging, and I got a little bit carried away here, and instead of having three double stitches, I have 5. This is really, really easy to fix. We're just going to slide things over, take off the 2 that we don't need, do our join, and continue. And we're working away, and all of a sudden the phone rings or somebody comes to the door and we're not paying attention. We come back and we look at our tatting and we say, wait a minute, that does not look right. Can you see it? We have 2 smiley faces, and then we have something here that's definitely not 2 smiley faces. So what happened here is I've got 3 of the first half of the double stitch. And what's kind of interesting, I'm going to do a few more of these and see if you can see what's happening. This is actually another stitch that can be done. If you do one half of it or the other half, either the first half or the second half consecutively, you're going to end up with a spiral. And that can be a real pretty decorative stitch if you use it intentionally. Here, it's not intentional. We don't want it there. Again, just slip them off. But that's how you can recognize if you don't have that smiley face, or you pick it up and you're here, you don't have a smiley face on the end. So you know that you still have to do the second half of that stitch. And once you do the second half of the stitch, there you go, and you have 3 smiley faces, 2 eyes, and a little line underneath, and there are 3 of them. So you have 3 double stitches, and they are correct. Now, if you should make a mistake, let me just do a little bit more here. And you're working away, and you closed your ring. Oh no, I forgot to put my finger in it. And you end up with this instead of a ring. You don't need to pull the whole thing out. If you come right back here to the join between your chain and your ring, and you just go through this little area right here, bingo, you have a ring. But oh my, oh, I made another mistake. Okay, if you were doing shuttle tatting, I would probably cry for you. But with the needle tatting, take your needle off of the thread, open this back up, and you can actually now also look at here. We've got 4 instead of 3. So if we didn't have 4 here, we could just pick up, put the needle back on the thread. We got to do that anyway, except I have to fix this other. And just continue and close your ring and just pull it through. But we've got a mistake way back here. So we're going to have to pull out from way back here. Oh, but look. There, it's all ripped out and you're ready to fix it and continue. So we've already closed the ring, but we just found out that's real easy to fix. So let's re-thread our needle. Do this over here where you can see what I'm doing. Now you get in there. There we go. Okay, so we have our 3. We are in need of a picot. So we are going to hold on to this here, and we are going to do a picot. Sure, Deb, this is real easy. This is our needle thread. This is what we were working on. And when you do your picot, you're not going to pull all the way close. You're going to leave a gap. Okay? And then we know we need 2 more double stitches here. So where are we at? So we've got 1. This would be number 2. We need another picot. And 2 more double stitches. And that completes the ring. Okay. So we have 1 picot there, 1 here that's just a string, and then 1 here. So hold on, pull your needle through. Oh, there's our 3rd picot, and it just goes right together. And we know we can just go right in here. Let's see, our first double stitch is there, so we can just go right in between the chain and the ring. And there's our ring. And all of your mistakes have been fixed. So remember, finish your ring with an overhand stitch. Flip it over to finish off that stitch. Pull everything tight so it's all the right size. And you're ready to continue. So there's how you go about fixing things. So with the needle tatting, you are able to open up a ring and fix it, or pull out a chain and fix it. You can rip back very, very easily.